Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we are back with wholesome new question which says the sum of roots of the equation this. Great. So, we have to solve for sum of roots of this question. So, before solving, what I feel is we should manipulate these two functions first and then we will talk to this person. Okay. So, I will keep x plus 1 this side and I will send a remaining thing that side. So it is 2 times log base 2 3 plus 2 power x minus 2 times. Okay, here base is 4. So can I write log 10 minus 2 power minus x upon base 4 log 4. Log 4 can be written as 2 power 2 and this power 2 will come at coefficient. Okay, so this thing neutralized. Now what I will do here base will become look at this, base will become 2 10 minus 2 power minus x. Now we have base as 2, here also base is 2, but the problem is the coefficient. We have problem with this coefficient. So what I will do, I will send this power to the power. So log base 2 3 plus 2 power x power 2. So it is log m minus log n. So here we will apply that property log m by n. So 3 plus 2 power x power 2 upon what? 10 minus 2 power minus x. Okay, base 2. Here it is x plus 1, here it is x plus 1. Now I'll break the log. You know that log a to the base b is a number. When we will raise this number on base, we will get a. So this is your a, this is your number, and this is your base. So start manipulating them. So can we write 2 power x plus 1 equals to a plus b whole square. So I will write a square plus b square plus 2ab. So 6 times 2 power x upon this thing. So can I write 10 times 2 power x minus 1 into 2 power x. Okay. I hope till this part you guys are comfortable. Now look at this. Can I write down this 2 power x plus 1 as 2 power x into 2? You know that 2 power x is a positive number. Okay, so you can eliminate because there is no chance it will become 0. Correct? So done. Now let's do the cross multiplication. So it is 20 times 2 power x minus 2 is equal to 2 power x power 2 plus 6 into 2 power x plus 9. Now everything on one side. So 2 power x power 2, this 20 will go that side, so it will become 14 times 2 power x. Okay, and this 9 will go that 2 will go that side, it will become 12. We want what? Sum of roots. Sum of roots means we want x1 plus x2. Okay, so look at this. Can I go with 2 power x sum of zeros? This is quadratic na. So 2 power x1 plus 2 power x2 sum of zeros will be minus b by a. So it is 14. Look at this product of zeros. Product of zeros 2 power x1 into 2 power x2 will be equal to c by a. So 11. Now if you will observe now, here base is same and power will become add. X1 plus x2 equals to 11. Now don't you think from here you will get x1 plus x2. So what I will do, I will take log base 2 on both sides. Okay, it was 11, so I will take log base 2 on both sides. Log base 2, log base 2. Now, you know that if anything is in the power of argument will come at coefficient. So x1 plus x2 will be equal to log 11 base 2. Okay, I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of MathFlix.